Welcome to a series of screencasts demonstrating the Healthwise system. In this episode, I will be demonstrating how to create a spin class. The spin class package will have 12 passes that can be used for up to 3 months from the date of purchase, and the spin class service will have 9 bikes available. Now that we have successfully created this service, we need to add it to a package so that we can then sell it as a 12 class pass. To do this, we click on the Products menu item and then the Packages submenu item. From here, we can click the New Package button in the set of buttons above. From here, we can specify the details of our spin class package. We specify the unique SKU code, its name, and in this case we'll add the number of packs that are bundled in with this package. We also list the number of attendees that are required to book this package. In this case we'll be making it individual only, so we'll leave the number of attendees as 1. We also have the ability to restrict this package to only being booked into time slots which are created specifically for it. In this case we'll allow that. We also have the option of specifying a booking window. This is to only allow bookings between particular date ranges for this package, and for our spin class we don't need to specify this option. We'll leave the price, cost and RRP blank so that the package can calculate that automatically when we save it. And we'll add the spin class session that we created earlier as a package component. And its quantity, because it's a 12 pack, will be 12. We click on the Create Package button to finalize the package creation. We'll now create time slots for this package that people can book into. We've logged in as Eric Atkinson, and we'll set up some availability for him so that people can book a spin class session. To do this, we go to the calendar that he has, and we'll create a recurring time slot that will go once a day for 3 months. To create this recurring time slot for 3 months, we'll set the start date for it on the 23rd of May. The spin class will run from 10 o'clock in the morning, and its end date will be 3 months from the 23rd, which works out to be the 23rd of August. We'll round it back to the 19th. Now the category for this spin class is a group class, as we specified when we created the service. So this spin class availability can only be booked by people who have purchased the spin class package. We will specify the optional parameters of the package to be the spin class 12 pack and the item to be a spin class. Now the duration of the service that we created, the spin class service, was an hour, so we'll set this to be the same. And we'll set the frequency for this recurring time slot to be Monday to Friday. That is, so that we don't get any Saturday or Sunday sessions. We then click on the Create button to finalize the recurring time slot. We can now see that our recurring time slot has been created. It starts on the 23rd and continues through June and into July. The system will only keep 2 months worth of time slots available at any one time, but they will be filled out on a daily basis. Now that we've created this recurring time slot, let's look at how a customer will go through and book a spin class. Now that we've logged in as a client, we now need to book the spin class package we just created. To find that package, we go up to Services and then click on the Group Classes option. This will bring up a list of the packages which are classified as group classes inside the system. And we can see that there's a spin class, which is the service that we created, and a spin class 12 pack. If we don't wish the individual service to be listed in the group classes, then we can set an option in the service to disallow this. For now, we'll just book the spin class 12 pack. So we click on the Read More option, and then we add this to our cart by clicking the Add to Cart link. Once this has been done, we can see that the item was added successfully to the cart. We can then view our cart so that we can book this service. By clicking on that link, we can see that the Spin Class 12 pack has been added to our cart with a quantity of 1. We can then continue to check out. Since we're the only attendee for this booking, our details are the only ones that come up. Since this is all correct, we can then confirm that we are the only attendee for this booking. We're required to accept the terms and conditions for this booking, since this is the first time that we've made the booking in the system. We do this by agreeing to them and confirming this. We then need to finalize our booking. To do this, we review our details, which are in the table above, and then we select a payment method to check out. In this case, we'll select wage deduction and click on the finalize order to book this package. We then need to confirm the final details. Now that we've successfully booked this package, we can see that the order has been placed and it was paid on Monday the 18th. From here, we can now book this person into a session that's offered by a provider. To do this, we click on the Organize Your Bookings link. We then see that for the order that we just placed, we have a spin class that we can book sessions for until July the 22nd. By clicking on the spin class link, it will take us to a calendar where we can select a session to book into. This brings up the availability calendar. You can see that the availability is listed for all of Eric's slots that we created earlier as a recurring time slot. To book into any of these spin classes, we can just select the checkbox next to the session that we want to attend. So if we wish to attend on May the 23rd on the Monday, we can simply click this checkbox. This will then register this person as an attendee of that class and will email both the provider and the customer the details of the session that they're attending.